Okay, I'm gonna try and fix this. And we are actually live. Cool, we're here. I fixed it faster than I expected. All right, microphone working. Good morning. Good. Yeah. Morning is enough. I think I should fix this seating situation. I feel like I'm sitting a bit higher than normal. Okay. Oh well. We'll get there. Oh hi. How are you doing? How's life going? I have been starting the stream a bit late over the past few weeks because I call this my winter schedule. So, inshallah, maybe like in a month, I'll try to go back to my summer schedule. So that, like, I don't. Yeah, no, the world is round, and I don't think I can accommodate to everyone. But I would still like to not like be later than I am. Okay. And if we, I hope my screen is not messed up. Okay, yes, my screen is working. If we remember yesterday, it was very traumatic because I was doing the quiz and then I failed, I think 2 questions, which means your quiz is basically dead. So I'm gonna have to go through that again. We can do it. And the question about the griffins and the dragons, I did get it. Actually, Chad explained it to me really well. But that, oh, was it? No, it was this. It was not even the quiz. It was a practice round. Practice quiz unit test. That's what I have. Will I be able to do that in an hour and a half? I don't know. But that's my goal for the day. So, wish me luck. Chinese stuff? What Chinese stuff? Where is Chinese stuff?
Okay, relay bid just redeemed Nanoon.
Okay. It's Korean. and they're just like Nanoon means my eyes. I think it's literally the scene from SpongeBob. The my eyes scene from SpongeBob. It's Korean. P.S. I know a little Korean. That could be a reason why. Yeah. It's actually really simple to recognize Korean writing. Can we do this? Oh shoot, what did I do? Oh wow, I did not realize it was wait. There we go. I wanted. Oh, no worries. No, you're just not familiar. Don't call yourself dumb. No, you're just not familiar. Yes, that happens. That is normal. I also confuse writing systems that I'm not familiar with. So I have no idea how to pronounce this name. Hochito, something like that. My dad. Ooh, that's cool. Korea for training. They are like they are a smart country and with a whole list of mental issues like overworking and stuff like that. I would assume it's South Korea. Yes, I would also assume that. Yeah. Um. Yeah. Mm, I would really like. I mean, it is my dream to study at KAIST someday. KAIST. It's written wait, no, it's KAIST like that. That is my dream, but I don't think it will happen. I don't think it's possible. So we have a person who has already warmed up immediately starts to pedal at a rate of this, meaning they go from okay. So stationary bike meaning they're exercising, and since they've warmed up, it doesn't mean so they go from 0 to 18 kilometers per hour. She sees that her friend has already pedaled 12 minutes. Okay, it's the 12 minutes of the dragons and the griffins at a rate of 10 kilometers per hour. First of all, there's nothing to catch up, but okay, it's nice to see the kilometer go up. Assuming Cowses rate stays the same, how long would she have to pedal to catch up? There are a few ways of trying to solve this. We have minute. So like we have the 10 kilometers per hour. I'm guessing times 12 minutes. So we can't do that because they're not matching. So I'll have to here say again times 1 over 60 because that's how minutes work. Well, it would be we want distance, and then distance is speed times time. Am I wrong? Did I get it wrong? I think that's it. Which it's not about velocity, it's like about rate. Do I have my distance formula? Yes, and then speed would be distance divided by time, which is correct. Okay, but we don't want speed, we already have speed. We have some time, but it's all messed up. Like anyway, this is my rate, this is my time, I should get distance, correct? I just need to convert it, that's all. So let's do the conversion first. Is it? No, it's not here. Pen, come back. There we go. So 10 kilometers per hour, 160 minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes. So we kill the hour, and then we get 1/6 because this 0 goes away with this 0, and then now we have kilometer per minute. So wait, how's that? Yeah, no, yeah, okay. And then we have the 12 minutes. So this minute goes away with this minute. The final answer we have, which is 12 divided by 6, meaning it's 2. There is 1, there is 2. So 2 kilometers. That person has ridden 2 kilometers. How long will it take our 18 kilometer per hour person to reach them? So now I know the distance, I should get the time. Correct? Because the question is how long. So do I just divide? Because we have time would be speed divided by distance, question mark. So 18 divided by 2, 9. But, 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 is that minutes or hours? That wouldn't make sense to be hours. Okay, I'm just gonna say it's 2 minutes. I mean, 9 minutes. And if I am wrong, I'm going to be very mad, but for the time being, it is unknowable whether I'm wrong or not. Oh god, I hate everything. Time isn't speed divided by distance. It's the other way around. It's distance divided by speed. Oh. Oh. Because... Oh shoot, why did I do that again? It's this one. There we go. So we have distance is speed and time. Then time... What did I do just now? Oh right, it would be this way. So it would be 2 divided by 18. So it would be 1/9 of an hour. And if we want to turn that into minutes, wait a second. I'm gonna. I doubt 1/9 would work, but let's try just in case. Yeah, no, okay. Oh no! I want the hints and stuff. Give me the hints. Oh, okay. So we start at the top. Rate, distances, rate, and time. We do this. Did I not do that? I did that. Wait, no, 18? No, I started with the second girl, not the first girl, but okay. Okay, this is the second girl's stuff. Yes, 1/6, that I got. Where did you get that 3.6? So we substitute plus that, plus the minutes. What did I do? What did I do to the minutes? The answer is 15 minutes because we have the kilometer, the minute, the t. That 2 kilometer I got as well though. But I didn't do the times. Okay, I did the times. I just didn't put it all back. I didn't look for the t. Oh well. I'm just gonna retake. Because if I don't pass this, I'm gonna be in trouble. Last time I completed 50%. Can't I just retake everything again? Well, if I write 15, it makes no sense. Yeah, no, I didn't solve it, obviously. Can't I start over? But I don't wanna. Okay. After finishing the prep work, Gilberta and Maria start removing wallpaper at the same time. Gilberta moves the paper at a constant rate of... You shouldn't rush these. I thought I wasn't. But okay. Yes, the questions are a bit long. Constant rate of 4.3 meter cube per hour, while Maria removes... okay, one is 3.4, the other is 4.3. Paper per hour. How... Gilberta's room starts with 35 meters squared, not cubed, right? Squared. Cube is 4. Anyway, of paper. Okay. I will try to take my time before submitting. And like to to like put it back in the question in a way and see if it makes sense. Oh, we have 2 different rooms even. Oh, well. Okay, we want the time. Complete the inequality to represent the time when Gilberta has more wallpaper left in her room than Maria. God, I don't like these questions at all. Okay. I'm just gonna like create the table because that is the thing I can do. We have, what do we have? We have time. We have size of room. So like room. And I have to do this 2 times for 2 different people. And then we have speed. Okay, so let's say room M and then room G. Okay, all right, that works. We start off, the rate of room G is 4.3 and this is 3.4. And then we start off with 35 and then here 30.5. That's at time 0. Okay. Then yeah, per hour. So our time is hour. First hour we get 4.3 taken out of 35. Do you expect me to do that in my head? You shouldn't. You shouldn't. Okay, so 35 minus 4.3 is 30.7. Okay. 30.7. And then 30.5 minus 3.4 is 27.1. And then I just continuously go until I get there. 30.7 minus 4.3 is 26. 26 point what? 4. And then we have 27.1 minus 3.4 is 23.7. I think we're gonna get there at hour 3, but let's try. This is hour 2. Hour 3 we have 26.4 minus 4.3, 22.1. 22.1. That's a point. And then 23.7 minus 3.4. Nope, we're still not there. 20.3. 22.1 minus 4.3. 17.8. This would be 16.9. 20.3 minus 3.4. Ooh, I did a calculation in my head. Okay, this time it has to match. 17.8 minus 4.3. 13.5. And then 13.9 minus 3.4. 13.5. Oh my god. They got there. But it's not an inequality. That is hour 4. This is hour 5. By hour 5, they reach the same wallpaper being left. But when basically the answer is hour 6, but it can even be hour 5.1, which is what I hate. Last time it expected like fractions, basically decimals. So first of all, hour 5 they reach each other. is where I'm going to start it with, but it expects an inequality. So anytime after 5.1. Let's try again. An inequality to represent the time when Gilberta has more wallpaper left. Gilberta is moving faster. So if time is smaller than 5, she has more left. Otherwise, it's equal and she's faster. Is my answer. God. Anyway, let's continue. Do I expect to get 3 more answers correctly and it is going to be 5 questions? No, I don't. Hey. We got this answer. We got the same question last time. We got the same question last time. Oh, thank you for the encouragement. I am like a bit angry inside. I feel like I should go back and watch my video of this. It's fine. I'll just try to draw a graph. All right. It is the same question as the balloon even, because okay. So if I try to draw a graph, I mean, I could do the same thing I was doing just now, the table. I like it because it shows movement. But we can also do this one. Where is 6 hours? Every 6 hours. I feel like I solved this last time. So we have a candle that is 15, and it is going down. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Dear God, I'll never get there if I draw like this. Try again. Let's, for the time being, just do 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. We have our first candle standing at 25. Our second candle standing at that's 20, that's 15. So these are our 2 candles at minute not burnt. And then we have one that moves 5 centimeters every 6 hours, and if we divide 5 by 6, we get 0.83. That's I remember that. And then we have this burning at a rate of 2.5 every hour, 2.5 every hour, and I remember getting to a 4.5 at like hour. Was it hours? Hold up. So for the 0.83. No, yes, 0.83 times 6 is 4.89. Oh my God, I remember. So at hour 6, which is basically 5 because it's 83333. So the more 3 you add, the closer it's going to get to 5. What was I thinking? Where was I? So at hour 6, how tall will the candle be when they first burn down to the same height? It's hour 6. Wait, how tall they are? Oh, okay. Let's try. Let's just plot it. So hour 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the rate is, you are at 2.5 every hour. So at every 2 hours, 1 candle. Okay, the 25 is 2.5. At every hour 1, hour 2, we're 5 down. And then hour 3, hour 4, we're another 5 down. Hour 5, 6, we are right here. So it's 10. The answer is 10. And our 15 one Every 6 hours it goes down by. Yeah, exactly. They meet here at 10 centimeters at hour 6. All right, I double checked it. So better be true. Thank you. The balloons! Oh my god, they're the same questions. Do I remember anything? No. Oh no, it was 30. It was 30. I remember. I remember Coffee solving this for me. I feel evil right now. Bonus question. Ugh. We also solved this. These are all questions that I have gone through, but do I remember? Barely. Feel like I should remember this, but you know what? Let's try to solve it. I breezed through two questions. I should try to solve this one. Alrighty. We can do this. 9 kilometers per hour. 2 minutes later, if OD, I said OD. I've been listening to too much Epic. Dallas runs at a constant rate of 12 kilometers per hour. How far past the checkpoint will they be when they catch up? I'm gonna do my graph. And hope for the best. So let's color our characters. I'm just gonna color this. You're my green, you are my blue, and then we are running, meaning the number is going up, not down, because the candle was going down, the balloon was going up, but yeah, this one goes down. We don't really know where they start. We just know technically at minute 0 they are at 0, both of them. And then at 2 minutes, well, this is per hour. You can solve it without the graph. Maybe you can solve it without the graph, but oh, hello 4167. Why do you make me read numbers that I do not want to read? Also, hi. What's up? I'm trying to solve this. Trying to solve a math question. But like, we have 12 kilometers per hour, we have 9 kilometers per hour. Why is the time in minutes? Should be, well, let's check this time for minutes. It's 9 kilometers per hour times 160. Yes, we are trying to solve this. I am from a place on Earth. Where are you from? I mean, I don't actually hide where I'm from, but like, yeah. Oh god, I just realized I haven't updated my Twitch tags, because I have it on my Twitch tag where I'm from, but currently it's not there because I removed it. Yeah, okay. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna now go away. There, I updated some tags, which is, I hope, good. Oh no, don't solve it for me. Oh, thank you. You didn't solve it for me. You just told me the answer to that. Did you? Wait. How? Oh, thanks. My goal is that you don't help me, but you guide me. Question to Abid. How is 9? Oh, I don't want meters. I just want kilometers per minute. Because the answer should be in kilometers. So no, thank you. I was like, how did we get to 150? Because it's 9 divided by 60. And if I do the division with 3, that's 30. That is 3. Oh, okay. That is 1 and that's 1. So we get 1/10, right? That's correct, right? Am I wrong? 15? I should be wrong. Hold up. 9 divided by 60. Oh, I got it wrong. Wait, how did I get it wrong so bad? Oh, that should be a 2. Wow, brain. Okay, 0.15. I will take your word. Okay, so this is 0.15 kilometers per minute, and then we can deal with this minute, hopefully. Because how far? The answer is in kilometers. If the answer was in minutes, it would have been, like, I would have tried to have solved it the first question style. Alright, and for that one, 12, instead of, yeah, we have 12, and then we do the 160. There are 2 6s in here. There's 1 6 in here. So that's a 10. And then this becomes a 1. This becomes a 5. So the answer is 1/5. Find out how much the first guy goes in 2 minutes. Okay. That is the speed per kilometer per minute. So if we want it to become 2 minutes, we just times 2 it. Right? Do I need to know 1/5 in 0.2? The answer is 0.2. Okay. How far past the checkpoint when they catch up? Honestly, I don't trust myself to not mess this up. You need to use the concept of relative speed. I am not sure. This is by the way 0.2 kilometers per minute. 0.15, 0.2. Let me just clean this up. Oh, what's happening? Why aren't you not? There we go. My pen is right here. Okay. 0.15 kilometers per minute. 0.2 kilometers per minute. Second guy, extra time, end up at the same point. Oh, I am a real human being, yes. I am not AI or anything. Yeah. That's why I'm really slow in solving the question, if you can't tell. But hold up. I am talking to a different chatter on Twitch. You are on YouTube. That's why I look like I'm talking to myself / a ghost. Why are you solving this? Good question. I'm bad at math. I want to learn math. That's the only answer. Which is like the title of my video. Trying to learn high school math, basically. Hold up, Abid. Let me get back to your other chat. I missed it. He goes 0.3 in 2 minutes. This guy goes 0.3 in 2 minutes. Aha. 0.3 extra time. They end up in the same point. T is going to be the same, but the second guy goes 0.3 plus x. Huh. Okay. Okay. But here's, to not mess up, because if I mess up, I'm going to need to take the quiz again. So let me be convinced, because I don't fully get it. So, if we try to plot per minute, 1, 2, 3, 4, God, it looks bad. Hi, hello. Hi, Gamma. I am in a very not good place right now. Thank you for catching me, because I was doing Griffin and Dragon question the other day, and when you say I'm glad I caught you, I'm like, okay. My brain is everywhere. So these are minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Our first guy is moving 9 kilometers. So if we do like 5, 10, 15, 20, our first guy is 9. It's not, forget the word 9 kilometers. Just look at this one. We said, so if this is, yeah, my brain is fried. 0.5, 1, 1.5. Our first guy is like half by minute 2. Our second guy is zero point 0.4, which is not that far. Wait a second. Okay. And we have a bot in the Twitch chat. Leave. Go. Never come back. Okay. First you need to calculate the distance traveled in 2 minutes by 9 kilometers relative to the speed. I mean, did we not? 0.15 in 1 minute, meaning 0.3 in 2 minutes. Yeah, that would be the speed. And then how much distance would be? You know, kilometers per minute, but like 2 minutes. So Twitch is just another platform for live streaming, like YouTube. It's a place where you can watch live streams. Yeah. I'm probably sure it's in my description, the link. If you're curious, you don't have to be. Yeah. Huh, it's not clickable. Interesting. Okay. God, I'm distracted. So, if we think of kilometers, how far past the checkpoint will he be when they catch up? SI units, does that mean? I have no idea what is SI units. International System of Units. Well, what? Meter? Ah, it's not kilometer, it's meter. And then you have to, Thank you, thank you. Thank you for trying to guide me to the solution. I appreciate that. And I am trying, but like we need to know that the answer is in kilometers. We could try to solve it in meters. Yeah. Oh, I mean, Gamma's asking a really good question, and I feel like I shouldn't. It's not 0.5, it's 115. Oh, cool. Albert already has the answer. Which one is not 0.5, it's 1.5? Which one is that? I didn't do any graph. It's fine. Okay, you just reminded me that I have a graph here. Oh no, the reason I wrote this 0.5 is that I'm trying to make it similar to the numbers that I have. So at minute 2 they would be at 0.3. At minute 2 this one would be at 0.4, and then like 1 minute later, dear God, no, my system is bad. Bye. Thank you. Thank you for stopping by on the YouTube side. Sorry for frustrating you. Yeah. So if I do a table instead of a graph, because currently the graph is a little much, my time would be in minutes. In minutes. We have J and O. J is moving, is the slower guy, so 0.15. And our other guy is the 0.2 guy. So this one is hopefully easy to calculate. The other one I'll get to. 0.8. And then we get to a 1 point at a 10. Where do you get that 0.3? Because it's about 2 minutes later. We don't have a starting location, which I don't think matters. In 2 minutes. Oh, okay, so that guy has a head start. Okay, now that makes sense. Okay. Time. But why do we have two different unknowns? Do we even... The fact that we have two different unknowns, wouldn't that be... This is minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I feel like I'm being a bit stubborn trying to solve it my way. No, T is T. Okay. We have an X and a T. That's what that made me ask you, why do we have two different... Yes, T is time, and X is, I'm guessing, distance. Alright, T. Okay. They're equivalent. Yes. Okay. God, I'm slow. Hold up, let me go back up. Where did we get that divided by 0.2? Okay, got it. Okay, got it. That is their speed. Okay, so if I try to solve your x divided by 0.15, which equals the distance traveled in 2 minutes divided by 0.2, because our guy has a 2-minute head start to this guy. Why did I write the division like that? Why did I write it? If I write it the normal way, I can solve it, but dear, why did I write it like this? Okay. Okay, let me write it the normal way. X divided by 0.15 equals, it's very skewed, x plus 0.3, which is our time, divided by 0.2. We can do it like this. We get the 0.2x equals... I mean, I could divide it by stuff, but I don't want to. I want it to be one line before I do any division. 0.15, and then we have our x plus 0.3 inside. Interesting problem to solve. It's an annoying problem to solve, that's for sure. I need to get out of this part. Also, FYI, another quiz is on the way. I think I'm gonna lose it. I'm just gonna lose it. We need to do this and this, and because I do not want to use my head, I'm just gonna 0.15 times 0.3 is... Why do I need 0.045? we have a 0.15x plus 0.045 equals 0.2x. You're right, I should have converted it into meters just so that I don't get so many O points. This x goes here, which means this becomes negative. We get 0.2 minus 0.1.5, meaning we get 0.05. 0.5 minus 0.15. Yes, we do get 0.05. X equals 0.045. And then our x is that divided by 0.05, which is 9. This is a 1, this is a 9. What? That cannot be the answer. Hold up. 0.045 divided by 0.05. It's just 0.9. Okay, all right. 0.9. That would sort of make sense. And I feel like it's the actual answer. I hope. And if it's 1 kilometer, if the answer... Oh, great. We got to the same place. But here's the thing that is making me mad right now. Get ready to be mad with me for a second. How far past the checkpoint are they when they catch up? 0.9 is at the point where they're equal. But if it expects me to think when... Yeah, no, catch up. Exactly, catch up, not past. That's good. I'm gonna check. How lovely. It's wrong. Yay, we did it. I don't like this. Okay. Is it because it's 0. Am I... I mean, we'll see. Let's look at the way we were supposed to have solved it. We did that part. Huh? Oh, okay. 8 minutes for now. 1.2. So it expected us to find the time first and then put it back and then try to solve for the distance. Meaning, we have the 9 and the... Well, yeah, 9 divided by 60 times time. And then, take away 2 is for the second guy. Gamma is having fun in the chat. Yeah, actually, I might just leave it at that. The answer is 1.2, right? Yay, shut up. No. Okay, good. It's okay, not your fault. Honestly, not your fault. It's just a weird... I got 75%. Last time it was 50%, so I am not mad at this one. Horizontal and vertical lines, the intercepts, I remember. That one I don't... I'm not good at modeling with linear equations and inequalities yet, because each time I solve it in a different way. That's why I don't think I'm good at this yet. But up next is a video. Creativity break. Give me a break. Oh, I'm sorry. I always feel dumb. I feel dumb 24/7. Like every once in a while I do something correct and I'm like, oh my god, am I actually smart? And then I feel dumb again. Don't worry. At least we learned something. You learn a lot more from your mistakes than you do from getting things right, is what I've heard. Is that correct? We shall see. We're gonna solve definitely more of these questions, so please don't feel bad. I'm sorry for making you feel bad.
So if you're trying to communicate a complex topic such as mathematics or a mathematical problem to the general public who might not be familiar with the specifics behind that problem, there are many different ways to help you get that concept across. And one of the ways that we do this in Mathematicals is to use videos and things that are visually appealing to people. So by using lots of visual aids, so bright colors and cartoons and word prompts on your screen, you can engage and capture the audience in different ways that you might not be able to do if you're just speaking in terms of equations and mathematics.
When we're more creative about how we present.
Yeah, I think it required more time. Like you said, I do try to solve it quick, but it did require more time for sure.
And how we talk about math, it makes it more relatable to people from a variety of backgrounds and cultures and experiences. When we are creative in how we explain or how we relate mathematical concepts, we can use things from sports, entertainment, or real world to help really ground the principles that we're learning and the theories that we're learning to something relatable. So the more creative we can be in explaining how math is related to the world around us, how it's related.
Asking ready, but where did I go wrong? Wait a second. They can read all of chat? What? He's actually giving you good feedback. It. Whoa. ReadyBot is great.
To things that we are invested in, the more likely it is to resonate with the people around.
Oh, really? Wait, ask ReadyBot if it knew what the question was, because I doubt they know what the question is.
Us.
As soon as a problem is posed, our instinct is to find the solution. But remember, often there's more than one solution, and usually there's more than one path to it.
Yeah, I get the fact that you should try to understand the question before you jump to the solving part. I'm a bit bad at that one. Okie dokie, let's see if we can do this. Apolline is mowing lawns for a summer job. For every mowing job, she charges an initial fee, plus a constant fee for each hour of work. Her fee for a 5-hour job, for instance, is 42. Her fee for a 3-hour job is 28. Right. If Y represents their fee in dollars for a single job that took X hours, which of the following information about the graph of the relationship is given? We have, okay, that is a question that I should be able to answer. Y is the fee in dollars. Fee in dollars. We have this. We have this. X is hours. We have a few hours. Okay. So do we not have... We have initial fee plus constant fee for each hour of work. The constant fee for each hour of work would be the slope, which I don't see. We have the total for the hours, meaning we have the both intercepts. So my answer would be D. That's all I see. We have the both intercepts. Slope is not given. Right? Why... And a point that's not an intercept, 2 points that are not intercepts? Really? Are they 2 points that are not intercepts? Because, oh god, there are 2 points that are not intercepts. We just have like x5, x3, y42. 2 points that are not intercepts is my final answer. God. Ooh-wee, I could have gotten that one wrong. Real easily. Jada sells ground paprika. Her weekly profit in dollars as a function of the amount of paprika she sold is graphed. So she had negative profit because she bought it, and then she had positive profit after. That is 20. Okay. How much do they make in selling 5 kilograms? This is the kilogram. This is the dollar. 5 kilograms. 0. It's not even in 5 increments. What are the increments? Is it 5, 10? Oh, it is 5 increments. Okay. It is in 5 increments. So in the first 5, difficult to see. I see in 10 we make 200. Okay, that can be seen right here. No, we don't know where we started though. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in and you guys can look with me. Look. Do I have my pen? I do not have a pen. Now I have a pen. So this is a good intercept we can look at. Where exactly do we have another intercept? I would say here. What is the difference between those two? This is 25, 30, 35. So this is 35 and this here is 60. So we just need to know. What do we need to know? It's okay. You did not make a mistake when converting units. Please get out of that thought of like trying to find your issue. We will solve other problems really soon, okay? We will get similar questions because we have some quizzes upcoming, which I'm not going to do the unit test, but I'm going to finish this quiz. I am quite sure we'll get one question in this 6-question quiz. Okay? We'll try to solve another one. So we have the minute is 60 minus 35, which is, how much is it? Take 30 away, it's 25. Yes, my brain was like 25. I was like, I don't trust you. Right? Okay. 25. So in 25 kilograms, we made 200 profit. This is 200 profit, and this is 25, which I could have done 5, 10, 15. Wait, what? What? 5, 10, 20, 20. What is happening? The difference between these two is 5, 20, and this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. There we go. Okay. We want to know how much for 5. Do I just divide 200 by 25 and then I get for 1 and then I multiplied 200 by 25? If I do this one, 5 here. How much is that? 40? So for 40, yeah, my answer is 40. And I did remember seeing a 40 somewhere here. Yay! 2 questions correct. The questions are the whole unit, sort of, I think. So I need to think to remember. I feel like it's been a month. Nirio and Azinith. I love the fact that the names are always new. Stuff I've never heard. Start recording. Gigi, hey, thank you. Thank you. I mean, I am going to take the GG for simple questions. It's okay. I should. Recording video at the same time. Size of okay, 1,000 megabytes of free space uses 5 megabytes of space per second. They have 1 point. Okay, I can't do the gigabyte conversion, but this is over a gigabyte, and use up 10 How much will they have when they first have the same amount of space left? Like, who needs the answer to those questions? Probably somebody. I'm very sure, like, these questions are important. Because, like, I'm trying to think of, like, rockets and reaching the atmosphere. These are good questions to do. Okay. ReadyBot, the answer was 1.2 though. Hold up, how did you explain the answer? P1, P2, starts after 2 minutes, Oh. Also, I love the fact that the answer is separated. Wasn't the answer 1.2? I'm gonna table this question. We have N, we have A, we have time. The speed of N is 7. The speed of U is 10, which is easier to calculate. Think so, okay. You could definitely go back from the of the YouTube video to see. So we start off, by the way, it's taking up space, meaning our number goes down. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 5, 5 would be like 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 2, 5. And then 1, 2, 1, 5. And then 1, 2, 0, 5. And so on. We'll get there with our 1000. Oh God, when will we ever get there? I cannot do 10 tens. I should definitely do way faster. I need to do like 100 or maybe like 50. Problem is I don't know how to use the eraser, but I can use white. Okay, that works. That looks like an eraser, but it's a white pen. Let's try again. The bot made an error by adding the 0.3 at the end. So we forgot to add the 0.3 to make it 1.2. The bot added the extra 0.3 and made it 1.5. Well, between our answer and ReadyBot's answer, we would have gotten the correct if we had averaged it. Is this a good pen size? Did I mess up? No, this was the correct pen size. We forgot to add the 0.3. I guess that's where we made the mistake. I don't know. Okay, I'm glad you found it. Gamma's having too much fun in the chat. We need to make... Oh, stop saying stuff like stupid. It happens. We're human. We forget. Yeah, somebody get Gamma to be angry. Like us. Okay, so if I go by like x5, meaning 50-50, I go down 1, 2, 5, and then I go down 1, 1. 2 wrongs can make a right. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Where am I? If I say 1205 minus 50, I get 1155. 5, 5. And then here I get 1105. When will I get the other place? 1055 and then 1005 and then I get 900. I should get 955, right? But I don't trust myself, so I'm just going to try to calculate it. 1005 minus 55. No, 50, not 55. Yeah, I get 955. And then the difference between this is 5. The difference between all of these are 5. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 5 is like 30, right? So I've gone down by 30 on this side. On the other side, where we start at 1000, we go down by 7s. So 993 The process was correct. You solved it without doing graphs. You can solve it without the graphs. Yes, using equations, right? 1007. Yes, and then again minus another 7. That would be 986. 986. Okay, if I don't do the 5 here, let me go back to my... Oh god, that's yellow. Okay. If I don't do this, and here we're at 25 stops, I can also erase this just so that we don't confuse ourselves. Oh no, the calculator is erased. Go away. Okay. If I go back, here we are at 25 steps down. If I go down 1, I get to 9, 9, 5. Okay, so here at 1 step, and this is 26 steps. It says how much free space will they have when they first have the same amount of space left. When do they ever have the same amount of space left? X is the amount the first guy went, but the second guy went in the same time. Because of the 2 minutes, which is the 0.3 speed. Right. So I'm focusing on the current question, which says how much free space will they have when they first have the same amount. Oh, all right. So I just have to continue going down until it looks like a 5. This here does not look like a 5. Another 7, 79. Oh, 65. 965. Okay, hold up. I need to go how I got here. So here we get 979, and then we get a 72. Was that a 72? Minus, that was a 72. 972, and then we get a 965. 65. And how many steps is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't matter how many steps. We want to know the number. For 95 to get to 65, we need another... that's a lot of steps, like 80, 70, 60, and three more steps. Okay, because we get to 985, 975, and then 965. So the actual answer is when they meet is how much space left. 965 is my answer. 965. Alrighty. Won't it be easier to find solution of this exact problem by tracing a graph? Yes. For some reason, I prefer the table over the graph because I can see the numbers. When it's the graph, I can never see the numbers. Oh, shoot. You can't be serious. Yes, seconds. I don't want the seconds. Excuse me? Ah? Yes, it can be done by starting. We have the time, but they start at the same time. Same time. That's why I started at 0 and went down based on the speed. What else was I supposed to do? I mean, besides doing the actual. Space left equals starting time minus rate and time. So starting time is 0. Oh, space. Starting space. I can never get those equations correct. Huh. But that's literally what I did. The t is unknown, So you just solve this side, and then you solve it again for the other side, and equalize the t's. This seems hard. Tell me about it. I will try to solve the next question like this, but I just don't. It's not intuitive. 405. I don't trust you. 405. Yes, but I see the rate of going down. I have the same information. I should get to the same answer. Anyway, I'm just gonna continue and hope I get the other questions correct. Zane is a dangerous fellow who likes to go rock climbing in an active volcano. Zane, where is your sense of self-preservation? One time, when he was 20 meters below the edge of a volcano, he heard some rumbling, so he decided to climb up out of there as quickly as he could. Don't give up too easily. Oh, when it says you're wrong, I'm like, oh well, I'm wrong. I give up very fast when I know I'm wrong, because I don't get the green check mark. That's why I'm here, nothing else. Am I here to learn? No. He managed to climb up 4 meters each second and get out of the volcano safely. Try to find how I did it wrong. I'll try. Try is the keyword. Graph the relationship between Zane's. Is this movable? It's movable. Elevation. We were at 20 below at, let's say, 0 times 0. And then he went 4 meters each second. So 4 meters each second. Where's the meters? Here it is. No, this is second. So 1 second, 4 meters. Yeah. And that's 6, not 4. This is 4. Okay. So started at 20 negative. After 1 second, went up by 4. After 2 seconds, where's my 2 seconds? Went up by another 4, another 4, another 4. And the guy got out after 5 seconds. Nice. I'm guessing this is correct, so I'm just gonna click check. Good. Would have been funny if I had gotten that one wrong. But not like haha funny, but like sad funny. Okay. Students give a choice between taking a test on paper or on the computer. Alright. Mr. Razi, graph the relationship between the number of students taking the test on computer and number of test pages she would need to print. Save the environment, guys. And use LLMs because it's bad for the environment. Thank you. Okay. I will say that Gamma is happy when we get it wrong, but no, that's not true. They give us GG when we get it right. What feature of the graph represents how many pages they would need to print if none of the students take? Y? Y-intercept? Wait, hold up before I do that. So this is pages printed, and this is the students using a computer. First of all, 100 pages need to be printed if nobody uses the computer. If everybody uses the computer, 0 people. So what feature is how many pages? It's Y. None of the above? Nah. It's Y itself is the pages, you know? And X is the students. So would it be x-intercept? Because x-intercept, x is 0 and y is the number moving. So for some reason my brain says choose x-intercept because that's where the number of y should be there. And x itself is 0. Oh god, was it y? Darn it! Darn it, I got a question wrong for no reason. A very simple question. I just thought it would be tricky, but it wasn't. Isabella finds her pool... Wait, what does NT mean? Nice try? Is it nice try? Nice try. Okay. In gaming, it's nice try. In casual conversation, it's no thanks. Cool. Okay. Thank you. Merci. Fills the pool at a constant rate. The table compares the remaining volume of water left to fill the pool. When I don't know abbreviated stuff, I'm like, oh, my age is trying. In liters and the time since Isabella started filling. What is the size of the pool? In liters, though. So I need to know how I get to 0. Time goes up, liters goes down. What is our rate? Constant rate. I just need the difference. That's it. Get me a calculator. There is a calculator. Oh god, too zoomed in. Okay. Take away 148 minus... Oh god. I'm saying the word, but it's not 148. Minus 112. Our rate is 36. 36. How many more 36s do I have to go to get to 0? And why does it matter? The size is 1. Oh, I need to go up. Okay, there we go. Does it match? Ooh. Try to solve it the T way. It was 405, the actual answer, instead of 475. Right? Do I need to go back in the YouTube? I'm monitoring on YouTube as well. I can go back if you want, but I think it was 405. I don't know who else remembers. So I need to go that way to get to the size. So we get our 148 plus 36. That would be at minute 2. Another 36 is our final answer, 220. Because it's moving at 2 minutes. 220. 220. That should be easy enough. Thank God. Rude. Do you see my levels go downer? It was down, it's going downer. Okay. Guys, I truly apologize, but I want to take the quiz again before doing the unit test because there is no way in heaven I'm going to do the unit test today. It's going to take a lot more time than and if I do the quiz again and I get things correct, my numbers could go up a bit. And like, what's the point of life if not numbers go up? Wow, so smart. Why does that feel like ironic? Like I feel sorry. I'm putting too much emotion in your words. But okay. I hoped for a simple question first. Dear God. Marcel. Plugged in. The work. Marcel's the guy name? Huh. His work, table, and phone. The phone had a battery charge of 13%, started increasing by 2% every 3 minutes. Tablet had a charge of 25, started increasing by 1% every 3 minutes. Not ironic. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Let T represent the time in minutes since Marcel plugged in the phone and tablet. Let us try and actually solve it using math. Equations. I'm going to try and do equations and watch me fail. Here we go. Alrighty, pen at the ready, but I don't need to have things selected. Alright. So, we have a phone and we have a we have a phone and we have a tablet. We get 13, and then 13% is our starting rate. So it adds to it 2% every 3 minutes. So our minute is, wouldn't it be 13 plus 2 times 3? Is that correct? Are you having a bad day because of me? I hope not. Like, are you having bad math day because of me? Wait. We have the time. The brain rot has gotten you. I am 90% in the brain rot. You need, like, pen and paper. You're trying to solve something using your head, which is annoying. You need pen and paper. I have pen, and the board is my paper. What is the question? Inequality. Okay, so we have everything actually, right? I don't know. I have a math test in 2 days. Okay, so what I would suggest is, if the math test is not related to what I'm studying, then just leave everything here and focus on what you have. But if it is somewhat related to what I'm doing, go back, look at the questions, and try to solve it again. That's what I would say. It does not look complex, but I have no idea how to solve it. Yeah. I don't know what's the unknown on this side, though. It's an inequality. Because the other side, I would say, we started off at 25. Plus, no way, it's a plus. Well, we'll see. 1 times 3, which is, again, our time. This makes no sense to me. Like, this makes no sense to me. Okay, good. I would suggest, I mean, I'm probably going to be here for the next 10-ish minutes, who knows? But I would suggest, like, switch to what you're supposed to be doing, and, like, it's okay if you leave the chat. I don't feel bad at all. I feel bad for making you feel bad more. I would so prefer using the table instead of the equation. I don't know why. My brain works that way. Our time is 3-minute intervals. We have the phone starting at 13. We have the tab starting at 25. I mean, I can write those here. 13, 25, 25. At 3-minute intervals, so at first, at minute 3, we have a 2% increase, 15, and a 1% increase here, 26, and so on. The question is, we want to know when the phone has at least as much battery as the tablet. So 18. Stress can make you miss stuff. You're correct. Absolutely. We have 21. And I keep moving here as well, right? 27, 28. because we want to know the time when the phone would have at least as much battery charge as a tablet. Do we want to know when the phone reaches 25? Is that the question? Or, right, that is my question. So that would be 24, and then 6, 9, 12, at minute 15, it would be... Here's the thing that makes me mad. At minute 15, we would get 27%, but I am very much sure it does not expect me to give this answer, because at minute 13, which is 1 minute after this, it would have if I divide 2 by 3, which is the percentage point versus time, I should get the actual rate. 2 divided by 3 is 0.06. So at minute 13 we get 24.6, and then at minute 14 we would get 25.2. So the answer would be minute 14, not minute 15, even though the rate is going by 3 minutes, is my answer. And if it's wrong, time should be over. Oh, careful. There we go. Time should be over or equal to 14 is my answer. Whether it's correct or not, we shall see. And if I write 15, and if you tell me this is correct, have at least as much. So, okay, not 15, not 14. I hate everything. The question was, so it wasn't when it reaches the 25%. It was when they catch up to each other. Honest question to chat. Is that how you got the question? Does it look like at least as much battery as the tablet? I thought 25%, not when they catch up to be at the same rate. Is that how you guys got it as well? Am I making you guys' life harder? Because I let the other side go. Anyway. Yep, in which way? In me way or you way? The answer was 60. Oh god, what do you mean? Equal to. So what would a person write? 36. Okay. Why do we need to see 60 if we know they match at 36? Yeesh. Anyway. What's the answer? 36, apparently. Yay! Keep practicing. That's what I'm doing. Mr. Mole left his burrow that lies below the ground and started digging his way at a constant rate deeper into the ground. Their altitude is y relative to the ground, which is x. So they're going down. They're going down. They're going down. And they started... They were already down, so they're going down-er, right? Below the ground. Yay. You got 11, so 25 plus 11 is 36. Oh, wow, well done. Finn returned home one summer's day to find it sweat-inducingly hot. That's normal. He turned the air conditioner on and fell asleep. The room's temperature went down, okay, by 0.5 each minute. Okay. Finn woke up 60 minutes later and it was 10 Celsius. It was 10 Celsius. They woke up 60 minutes later. Graph the relationship between the room's temperature in degrees and time. So at minute 0, we don't know what it was. We know it was 10 Celsius at minute 60. And we know it went down by 0.5 each minute. If I want to get this number to a reasonable number, I can check like in 10 minutes, it was 5 degrees. Meaning, in 10 minutes, it goes down by 5 degrees because each minute is 0.5. Because I want it to be a round number. So 10 times 0.5 is just 5. And that's the relationship. So it started from 40 and went down to 10. What sort of AC does that? Yay! Felipe put a bowl of candies. I was like, a ball of candles? No, candies. On his desk, he grabbed the relationship between how many days has passed and how many candies has remained. So we have on day 0 it was 32, on day 8 it was 0, and we have like a rate of each day we get 6 eaten? No, yes? 4 plus 2, that's 6, yes. How many candles were, how many answered, x-intercept is how many candies? No, how many days? Where is it? X-intercept is how many days passed? Hold up. How many candies were in the bowl initially is y-intercept. How many candies were eaten each day is the slope. How many days passed before there were no candies remaining is our x-intercept. Yes. So day 8 is our x-intercept. Thank you. 2 more questions. Suraj took a slice of pizza from the freezer and put it in the oven. Oven. The pizza's temperature in degrees and time. Question is, what was the pizza's temperature in 2 minutes? 10 degrees? After 2 minutes, hold up. It's just 10. Because is the question really that easy? We're cruising? Are we cruising? Are we at cruising speed? Look, I'm trying to make it more, I'm good with graphs, thank you. My work is with data if I'm not good with graphs. But here's the question. After 2 minutes, are we saying 2 minutes here? Because that's 10 degrees. What else is there? Because it starts out at negative 6. No, 4. Wait, 6. I hope that is it. Thank God. Okay, difficult question incoming. Hopefully, we shall see. Julia got a delivery order. She took some time to get ready, and then she rode her bicycle at a constant speed. So we have distance, we have time. Distance Julia made at the time she got in the order. How long did it take to ride 1 kilometer? That is an interesting question. It's 50. What? Yusuf Mo? Hi. Hello. Are you a first-time chatter? Because YouTube never tells me. I'm more at ease with the graphs. Thank you. Okay. So we want to know the distance per kilometer. Currently, our rate is at kilometer 5, we are 40. Do I just divide 40 by 5 and I get the answer? Oh, thank you. You're bad. No worries. It's okay. Do I just divide 5 by 40 and I get my answer? Is that 8? The answer is 8. What is 8? 1 kilometer, 8 minutes. 8 minutes per kilometer. I'm not gonna check it yet. I'm gonna double check it. I swear. Oh, hi! No worries. Hi, coffee. Good morning. To me. Good morning to me. Hold up. So. Yeah, no, like I can do it for each time. 52 divided by 7 is 8. Is what? No, that doesn't work that way. Whoops. Oops. Hold up. Okay. So if I say 52, the difference between 52 and 40 is 12. The difference between these two is 2. So the answer is 6. Let's try again. How long does it take Julia to ride 1 kilometer? This one's easy. Then tell me the answer so that I don't get it wrong. I checked it around starting time and then get sidetracked. No worries. I started late again by like, was it 7 minutes or 6 minutes? Something like that. Later than late. How long does it take Julia to ride 1 kilometer? Because like, if it takes Julia, it has to be a fraction number, not a full number. Because it took Julia 5 kilometers to get to 40. Well, it took 40 minutes to get to 5. Meaning they rode at a rate of 8. But then here, dividing... What is 52 divided by 7 again? 7.4. And then at 64, divided by 9, we are at 7.1. So which do I trust? Took her 12 minutes to go 2 kilometers. Yes. The difference between here. Is it okay, so if I check okay, now I see the constant rate. The constant rate is, so I don't trust the 0 to 40, but here we have 12 minutes. Here again we have 12 minutes, and these are 2 kilometer differences. So the answer is 6 minutes? I hope. Do we trust Julia? I don't trust Julia. Cause it took her more time to prepare. Okay, so we are we're taking time to get ready. Okay. Slopes and intercept is now purple, but my linear rate issue stays at 0. Yeah, no, that's it. I am burnt. I am spent. I am done. So what I would need to do... More questions! Honestly, I would have loved to, but my time is out. In 5 minutes, I should be in a different place than I am currently. But honestly, I don't think... I would like to think I can stream on Tuesdays, but then I never do. So, no promises. Because I need to get this corrected. Here's my current plan. I'm fine with the 83 of the quiz. The unit test is going to be a monster, so it's going to need its own, like, probably 2 hours. So, tackle unit test, get the comparing linear rates issue continuously wrong, and then go back to it. That is my current plan. What do we think? I want to tackle the unit test before I go back to this monster of a problem, because it's the graph and the griffin and the dragon. That is, getting 2 questions wrong was the most. Come on, no, it's not. My whole online presence is being embarrassed and getting things wrong. Sounds like a plan. Momo, you're still here? I feel bad. Sometimes I feel like I'm holding you guys hostage. Is that how you guys feel? Let me know, please. Or does it look like watching a car crash? Because that is a bit like I can't talk. watching a car crash is fascinating, but oh no. It's still Saturday's and yesterday, which was Friday. Yeah. It is still the same schedule. But like I would like to be able to stream on Saturdays, but I don't because life happens most of the time. So yeah. Okay. Fridays and Saturdays, or Thursdays and Fridays, depending on the time zone. That is correct. If you are in the, if you happen to be streaming, I am free. We shall see. I will try to prioritize it, but I doubt I will be able to. We'll see. I can let you guys know on Discord if anyone's curious. Okay. Honestly, thank you for enduring the stream. Again, I hope it's not a hostage situation. And like doing something difficult first thing in the morning makes me feel like I'm gonna be able to tackle today. So I hope that would be the case. So thank you for being here. And I appreciate your patience and trying to help me. I really think, lovely. Stockholm syndrome? I think Stockholm syndrome has kicked in. Yeah. I appreciate your patience and your kindness. Yes. I truly hope, I truly see I am getting more used to the questions. So you still don't get the 4.5 question. I mean, you can go and look at the way it was solved by Khan Academy itself. It should be in the YouTube playback. So yeah. Thank you for being here. And inshallah catch you next time if you feel like it. Don't feel obliged to be here. If it's fun, I would love to have you. If it's not, you don't have to. Okay. Thank you so much. I'm going to go to the end screen and I wish you a lovely rest of your time. Bye-bye. Oh, I should do the goodbye gesture. We can do that. And good. Bye. Have a lovely day.